Okay, when it comes to shoulder press, that's the end all be all when it comes to shoulder exercises, because you can hit different variations of the shoulder press and it's gonna affect the whole front, middle, and rear shoulders. So you can do seated dumbbell press, standing dumbbell press, seated barbell press, standing barbell press, and cables and all other accessories. So you don't have to be stagnant when it comes to one size fits all when it comes to shoulder press. There's multiple variations, so try each one, and I guarantee you that'll help you build better, rounder, proportionate shoulders.